So what exactly do we mean when I say that we pre-train and fine-tune a large language model? Well, think back to when you were in school. To start, you learn a broad range of subjects and topics to get a base understanding of the world around you. However, later, as you choose your career, you'll have focused your attention to more specific subjects focused on that career. You still reference what you learn in those early years at school and build on it to understand new knowledge related to your specific field. It's kind of the same concept with LLMs. They're pre-trained to solve a variety of language problems and then can be fine-tuned to work in specific fields such as media, finance, transport, etc. In the pre-training phase, the large language model is exposed to a massive amount of text data from the internet. It learns the basis of language, like grammar, vocabulary, and common sense by predicting what words come next in sentences. This is similar to you learning how to speak, write, and get some general knowledge in your early school years. Once the model has a good grasp of the basics, it can be customized for specific tasks. For example, you might want it to be really good at answering medical questions or helping with customer service inquiries. In the fine-tuning phase, the LLM is trained on a smaller, more specialized dataset related to the specific task that you want it to do. It takes the skills that it learned during pre-training and it gets better at the specific task you want it to do. You can almost think of it like you taking this course now. You'll still kind of reference that very early stuff that you learn in school, but we're really specializing your skills now with this course. Because large language models have been pre-trained on such large amounts of data, they can often even do well on tasks without any additional industry-specific data. They can be used for what is known as few-shot or zero-shot scenarios. A few-shot scenario is where we use minimal data to train a model, and zero-shot is where the model can recognize things that it's not been explicitly taught in the training before. So in some cases, you're able to use an LLM straight out of the box without any additional data. So now that we have an idea of what LLMs are, let's have a look at some applications.